Добрый день.
Good afternoon.
Сегодня обращаюсь
Today,
к
I am
адвокатам
appealing to lawyers from
Уругвая и
Uruguay
адвокатам
and other
Уругвая,
internationally licensed lawyers
которые
who would like to
захотят
participate in this
участие
case.
в этом деле. Я хочу
I
привлечь
want
к
to hold
ответственности
accountable
лиц,
those who
которые
testified in
дали
court
показания в
against
суде
the players.
против игроков.
The data of these people is in the materials of the criminal case.
Есть материал.
I want to bring to justice the person who produced this video. This person is unknown
Я
and
хочу
must be
привлечь к
identified.
ответственности, лицо, которое изготовило фальшивое видео. Это лицо неизвестно, его нужно установить. Я вас познакомлю.
I will introduce you to the results of the examination, which was made on the video from the criminal case. Here it is, this record.
По этой видеозаписи была изготовлена экспертиза. Данную запись адвокат получил адвокат для экспертизы.
The lawyer received this record for examination and gave this document for signature.
Then we worked with a lawyer and he returned things and materials of the criminal case for us.
He didn't work with us any further. Two examinations were carried out. One confirmed that this copy was not subject to changes. In this case, it was not subject to changes after its transfer to the expert. This is the examination. The second examination answered the question of whether the rectangular object found in Player 2's suitcase was in Player 2's hand, as in this photo. To do this, they took the player from the video and took all the measurements of his hand. Here is this photo, and they took the dimensions of the object in the photo. This is the picture, and compared it with a frame from the video. The expert's conclusion is that the object in the photo does not match the object in the photo.
Что на фотографии не соответствует что предмету, который находится в руке. Ну, когда игрок сидит за столом, у него в руке есть предмет. Также, по версии
Also, according to the prosecution, the object in photo was attached to the arm, as in photo with an elastic band as in photo. This is the photo.
Вот эта фотография резинки.
But the shot at the 44th second does not confirm the prosecution's version. This is the frame of the photo.
Замедленно просматривая, мы видим, что при замедленном кадре, что предмет во время поворота руки зависает.
There, an object similar to a pack of cigarettes hangs in the air, which contradicts the laws of nature. If it had been attached to an elastic band, it would have rotated along with the arm around the axis of rotation, as in the video. This is the video. Thus, it turns out that this video is a video montage, and the object was inserted into the player's hand in order to confirm the accusation. I am sending a copy of this examination, translated into Spanish, to the Uruguayan prosecutor's office by email for review. and I need a lawyer to send these documents to verify the actions of the prosecution and the casino staff, and for the prosecutor's office to give a legal assessment of the actions of the casino staff, and conducting additional automotive technical expertise on the territory of Uruguay. I am also sending an open email to the president of Uruguay's reception office in order to draw attention to this situation and ensure the legality of actions on the territory of Uruguay.
Под контролем Министерства иностранных дел, я обращался к ним на помощь в этом деле. Я призываю адвокатов.
I am also sending an open email to the president of Uruguay's reception office in order to draw attention to this situation and ensure the legality of actions on the territory of Uruguay.
Работников казино это очень важно.
While the casino is avoiding responsibility, I have tried to contact the casino several times, but it is not responding. The casino feels very confident in Uruguay and believes that they can do whatever they want, that with the help of their influence in the country they can do whatever they want and will not bear any responsibility for their actions. The casino brought fake evidence to court to convince the judge that it was right.
Казино принесло фальшивую улику в суд, чтобы убедить суд в своей правоте.
They delayed the investigation process for 4 years to reduce reputational losses.
Следствие на 4 года.
They think they have this whole little country under their control. After receiving the results of the examination, I contacted the prosecutor's office with a question about submitting an application to verify the actions of casino employees. But the prosecutor's office sent me to the consulate of my country and then stopped responding to my messages altogether. I contacted the Uruguayan consulate in my country and explained that the prosecutor's office had sent me to the consulate so that I could file an application for the actions of casino employees at the consulate and attach the results of the examination confirming my words. After that, the Uruguayan consulate refused to accept my application and stopped responding to my messages. I could come to Uruguay and file a police report, but I need a lawyer for that. And as soon as I tell any lawyer the whole story and tell them who I'm applying to, the lawyers immediately refuse to work with me. They say the country is small and they don't want to fight with casinos. Yes, casinos in this country have a lot of influence. I am specifically telling the whole story publicly to protect the lawyers from possible pressure from the casino. There is little information for the players about compensation from the state because the guilt was not proven. And both Player 2 and I were in prison for 164 days. Compensation. The casino does not want to pay for its mistakes and has power and influence. You can file a lawsuit against the state, but this is a very long time. The process has been going on for more than a year. The state pays you about $50 per day spent in prison, and your other expenses, lawyer, translator, etc., that you want to reimburse will be calculated at minimum government rates. Then, with a small amount, lawyers, they charge a percentage for the work, and as a result, you will receive a very small amount in your hands. And as a result, you will spend money on the translation of documents, which is not cheap, and incur other expenses and waste time. Yes, casinos in this country have a lot of influence. Make your own conclusions and choose safe casinos to play at. All contacts will be under the video. There are also new discoveries waiting for you, which I made after conducting my own investigation. There will be bad news for the players, although this information can save a lot of money and time for someone. See you soon and have a nice day.